Not the nicest of days today, but it doesn't matter. We're off back to the UK again. As you know, I'm doing this every week. Keep on top of the work while Rebecca's away. Van is loaded. We've got a couple of hours to spare. So as we showed you in an earlier video, Carol decided to give me another project on a chandelier for the hallway. In fact, it looks really, I think it's going to work a treat. So now you already started by the looks of it. Are you doing this project then?
I'm helping you. I'm really excited about doing this. It's an easy job. I've got an easy job of cleaning up the crystals, repinning them and sorting them out in the cups. This is a spare box they gave us that had fallen off.
Okay.
So they need sorting out. They're broken, a bit broken, some don't fit.
All in all though, not most of the crystals there, but they are looking in bad condition.
No, but it's quite exciting, isn't it?
Well, it's a lot easier to do than the one I had to do in the salon.
Better than packing up and going home.
Yeah, what a horrible job that is. Maybe we should bring it with us. We could do it for the 6-hour crossing. That'd give us something to do. Hang that in the cabin.
I'm going to take all the cups off, clean those up. And
Okay.
then I'm going to wire up one cup to see what actually should go on it.
To keep that as a master. Good
As
idea.
in put all the crystals on with I've got a pack of new wires left.
Just don't put it in a safe place, darling.
I'm just going to leave it there and spread it out all there.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got about 3/4 of an hour. So let's get on with it.
Yes, actually, that was me thinking we got to leave in a couple of hours. You're right, we've only got an hour really, at max. So,
How do I
okay.
get the cups off?
Well, I'll do that for you. I powered it up last night just to check the electrics on it, and actually it looked like all of them seem okay. I'll still give it a once over because you never know if a cable's been nicked. Last thing I need is that. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we really have got ourselves a bit of a bargain here. Yeah. Bulbs are going to have to come out because they're the standard bulbs. I'm going to put some LEDs in there.
Come on, stop talking.
So light up, lights off. Cleaning mode already.
Yep, we've got...
How's it come up?
All those are clean.
Quick, could eat your blooming dessert out of that.
Can you see that?
I can.
Clean, dirty, and I wire them up with some new pins that we've got left over from the other ones.
Oh, well, get moving. We could have this up before we go.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. They're taking forever. So we're going to actually take them back to England with us, and it's going to be an evening job. But just remember, you have to help me. No skiving off to the gym or anything like that.
I think you'll find I'll be working every evening.
Right, I'm just going to decide how to pin these, how to wire them up.
Okay.
And then come back to you.
Gonna look very elegant. Right, that's all the glassware off. So now I'm exposed back to the cables. As you see, just have to remove those crystals. But I can see now it really should clean up really well. I'm hoping I can, well, there's no reason why not. I can get all of these apart so I can really get it in individually like I did on the chandelier in the salon. But yes, I think that was a good spot by Carol on that. How are you getting on, Carol?
Slow.
Slow. There's no rush.
Well, the trouble is you've got to hang them, the pins, the right way around so that they hang facing out. Otherwise, some of them, as you can see, are a bit crooked. See, that one's not hanging straight.
What a difference. I mean, if you put that against a dirty one. Oh, lovely pair. Seriously, lovely.
Before.
Yeah, after, yeah.
But I'm just trying to do the maths and work out 3 pins in each drop, times 5 is 15, times 25, sorry, 24. I need a pen and paper. And that's just
600.
cups. Sorry?
600?
No way.
15 times 24? I don't know.
You're joking.
No, I don't know. I ain't got a clue.
They come in packs of about £12 a pack. And then there's all of those.
Well, you better add them up as well then. If you got that chandelier up and running for €200, oh, that is impressive. That is going to look amazing. Even just, I haven't actually looked, you've got better eyes than me, what the detail is in the middle.
Hopefully no scary faces on there.
No. I can't actually make out what that's meant to be, but anyhow, we'll study that later.
So that'll go there.
It will. Yeah, I think it's going to look great. And I really do love...
The grey?
The grey, yeah, I really do. It looks great. It's different as well. So, okay, we haven't got long, half an hour. This feels like one of those shows on TV on the countdown. Let's get some of these arms off and then we'll get in the van.
I just wired up this one to see how many wires it takes for one drop. So that one is done. That takes 2. So I've done the maths.
You've done the maths after our brains couldn't do maths this morning.
Yeah. I've got 6 cups times 12 times 14, 12 arms with 4 drops of 2. Top is 6 times 2, which is 12, and the total is
Numbers on the doors?
444.
Oh dear.
444. So that's 4.
5 packs. Oh, have you got 44 in there?
No. 5 packs.
Okay. How much are they a pack again?
I think they're about £12.
Okay, so 60 euros there, 100 euros for that, probably a bit of cleaning products. So we're still within 200 euros.
5 packs.
Yeah.
I'm going to pack all these up, put them in the box, take them back, and that's an evening job.
Yeah, I'm just looking at these cleaning up. I've started doing it. They're disgusting, actually. So it may not be obvious to most, I'm only just starting this, but the top part was completely brown, and I can see now I'm cleaning it up. It's got a lovely gold, so it should be similar to the one that I cleaned up in the salon. So hopefully it's going to have the wow we wanted in the hallway. Well, there you have it, one spider crab stripped down. You can see the potential when it's cleaned up, just from the inside of the metalwork compared to now. Wiring, what I can see, all looks good. In fact, it even looks to me that someone's renewed the wiring on this. It's not the old wiring, it's the same wiring really pretty much that I used when I did the chandelier in the salon, so I don't think it was that long ago. Shame they didn't clean it when they did it at the same time. Now we got it stripped down. I can get the arms off, as you can see, because they're only bolted on to the ring, and then we can really give them a good spruce up. As for the bit in the middle, my eyesight's not good enough to know exactly what's going on there. If anyone knows, great. And when that's cleaned up as well, that'll look great. So yeah, I think, as I said before, that was a great find. We do occasionally get these at the Beacons. Fortunately, you just got to go through all the stuff there, and sometimes it's just luck. But just very quickly show you, I've just cleaned this up, literally just using the barkeepers, and what a difference already it's made in. So I think by the time I properly stripped that, got that back, it's going to have the, as I said, the wow I wanted. But yeah.
Back in England and decorating again, otherwise I would be bored. Even in the smallest of places, preparation is key. So I've just sanded this wall down. There was a frieze here of, not in my lifetime, a long time ago. So it has been lined to here. There's a gap where the frieze was, and then it's lined below. So I'm hopefully sanding off this join very carefully, because it's got so many layers of paint on that this lining is going to be a nightmare to remove, and it's actually a really nice surface. So I'm just using some 80 grade sandpaper, trying to get the join off. That's quite smooth there now. We could fill it with a little bit of surface filler, but I'm going to paint this over and see how it looks first, instead of filling the whole gap around the edge. So I get that wall washed down and the first coat on. This is the wallpaper that I'm going to use in our bedroom behind the bed. It's very similar to the Lincruster that I wanted at the Chateau in our bedroom, but just could not afford to do that. So I'm going for this cheaper version. On the same principle, pale background, bringing out the detailing with a different colour. So I'm going to give that a go first, see if it works, while I wait for the walls to dry.
Good to see you working away.
Yes, I've never put this anaglypta wallpaper up before, and it's really thick, and I'm having problems with the seams because of that.
Let me show this in the light.
Oh, that's right, show my imperfections.
Exactly. No,
I'm going to put extra layers of coat on it, coats of paint on it, so you won't be able to see.
I was showing the design, not your
My
not your balls up.
It's new materials. I'm also using extra thick wallpaper paste ready-made, and I've never used ready-made paste either.
Does it work?
We'll see in a few months if it starts peeling off, anyway.
Well, we wake up and it's on our head during the night.
Hey, I'm not planning about you. I'm not planning on being here in a few months.
No, I hope so either.
But I've got it nicely around the socket, so I've done a good job of that.
Okay.
But I didn't have a screwdriver, so I had to use a knife.
Oh, cool.
You stole all the tools.
There's a compromise. If you haven't got a screwdriver, everyone, use a knife. Was it a bread knife by any chance?
No, it was a stolen Brittany Ferries one.
Shh, don't tell everyone that. Okay, well, the gold pins arrived today, so we can look to do that one evening with the chandelier. Get those in place. It looks like you're going to be busy all day doing this, though.
2 an hour.
2 drops takes 1 hour.
Yeah, and there's only 6 to do.
Okay, well, there you go. You can do your maths again.
Well, the chandelier we bought from the Brocante that I had no idea was going to go but loved is arrived in England.
4 pieces.
Now that's been well packed. I'm proposing to put it above our bed because we have a bedstead, and I think we wouldn't hit our head on that.
No, I hope not.
If you stand on the bed, actually don't stand on the bed. You can see how low it comes. Yeah, I tried that. I couldn't quite reach.
It's low.
No, it's not. Hold on, let me get off the bed. Right, hold it up again.
Okay, so
I'd get down if I
what
were
did I
you.
just say? You'll hit your head.
Yeah, but our bedstead is a lot bigger than this bed.
You could swing from this chandelier with no problems.
Oh, don't forget the ball's going underneath.
Oh, there goes your head. Crumbs.
Can you get down before you fall?
Fall. I've only stood up a foot. Just when I thought weekends now and back in the UK would be no work, but no. The chandelier that Carol bought, the one she didn't know where to put it, but she loved it. She's asked me to put up in this bedroom. Not a problem, but all these houses are plasterboarded. No way of supporting that weight. I mean, it's fine if you're just hanging a light as you see there. So I need to go up in the loft, put a piece of timber across the joists or the beams up there, just to spread the weight, and then I can fix into there. So next mission is to get up there, get a hook put through, and then hopefully we can hang the light later this afternoon. Well, the hook is in. Thank goodness for that. It always feels like it's double the temperature when you're up in the loft. It's horrible. Worst job to do is actually in the summer, well, late summer if you like. It's still over 20 degrees. But there you go, Carol. You've got something to hang off now. This is your exciting, wonderful little chandelier that's going up.
That's not for you, by the way.
Who's it for then?
It's for Lumiere. One of my favourite Disney films, Beauty and the Beast.
I am the beast.
That is that, yeah, Beauty and the Beast. We just realised, I don't think we've actually seen if this works or not.
Unbelievable.
You know, I still haven't painted the ceiling.
I'm going on strike.
No, that's not true. I did do a patch of white around it and realised actually it didn't really need doing, but there are some blobs of old... someone's used a cheap roller on the ceiling and the fluff has come off. And they've just left it up there. When it's up, the fuse box is back on. It works.
Yeah. All the other lights have gone off.
What's your wiring?
It's fine, isn't it? I'll change the bulbs, he said.
Yep, change the bulbs.
I'll go and get the ones I've bought for the hallway, or steal them.
It's really warm looking. Change the bulbs and then I'll give it an overall view in the room. Might take the ball off the bottom. Don't particularly like it anyway.
Very Del Boy, isn't it?
No, it's very elegant.
What about, bear me a sec?
No, it needs something to finish it off.
No, it'll still have, I'm just thinking it'll only have that. Not the ball hanging off the bottom.
Well, let's change the bulbs and see.
Okay.
So as you can see, the paper was finished yesterday. It just looks plain grey at the moment. So we're going to put the same colour as the walls on there as a base. And then maybe some touches of gold, but we're going to play around with some gold first. So guess who we're looking after?
Guess who's looking after?
Who are you?
Hey, Teddy.
Why have we got you? Where's Mummy?
I'm at hospital.
Why is Mummy in hospital?
No.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. Mummy's in hospital having baby.
Well, hopefully.
So while we're babysitting, Adrian's got the job of getting the crystals off the cups of the chandelier.
And Zach sitting.
It's quite a lengthy job. So Adrian's cutting all the crystals off and then I'll wash them, and then we've got to dewire all the crystals, and there's an awful lot of them.
Yes, and the pins should arrive here in the UK before we go back to France. But I don't think we're going to get time. I've seen what you've got to do. That's a big job, isn't it, the pins?
I could do maybe a couple a night.
Okay.
I know. We'll take them on the ferry and do them then.
6 hours on the ferry. We'll probably do a couple then, won't we? My word. Unless Mummy's in hospital for a while, you might be coming on the ferry with us, Zach.
He's quite happy. So we've got Zach again for the night, and is Glamour taking you to school tomorrow morning?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's an early start for me.